Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Microsoft Teams. Whether you've recently gotten married, prefer to go by a different name, or simply want to update your professional display name, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. To get started, look at the upper right corner of your Microsoft Teams window. You'll see your profile icon displayed there. This is typically a small circular image or your initials. If you haven't set a custom profile picture, go ahead and click on that profile icon to open up your account options. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, a menu will appear. Now hover your cursor over your name or email address that's displayed in this menu. When you do this, you'll notice two icons appear next to your name. These icons give you quick access to editing your profile information without having to navigate through multiple settings pages. One of these icons is a pencil, which represents the edit function. Click on the pencil icon to begin editing your display name. This is the key step that allows you to modify how your name appears to other team members and colleagues across the Microsoft Teams platform. After clicking the pencil icon, you'll be taken to a form where you can update your information. Here, you'll see fields for your first name and last name. Simply input your new first name in the appropriate field and then do the same for your last name. Take a moment to double check that you've spelled everything correctly, as this is how your name will appear to everyone in your organization. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, look for the Save button and click it. This will confirm your updates and apply them across Microsoft Teams. Your new name will now be displayed in all conversations, meetings, and wherever your profile appears within the platform. And there you have it, you've successfully updated your display name in Microsoft Teams, ensuring your professional identity reflects exactly how you want to be known. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.